Hello friends, today I am going to present topic Shodh Ganga and Shodh Gangotri, boon for researchers. Shodh Ganga and Shodh Gangotri, they are the electronic thesis and dissertation repositories which are brought to us by Information and Library Network, Gandhinagar. Shodh Ganga, it provides full text open access to the electronic thesis and dissertations submitted by Indian universities, colleges, research institutions throughout India. On the other hand, Shodh Gangotri, it provides access to the research in progress in various Indian universities, colleges, institutions. Here you can see the home page of Shodh Ganga. This shows total number of theses uploaded in 2019. Month-wise statistics are showing that there are 38,200 theses and dissertations which are submitted in electronic format by the various Indian universities. On this side, you can see that the ETDs which are present in the Shodh Ganga repository, they belong to all the Indian languages like Bengali, Malayalam, Arabic, Kannada, Hindi, Punjabi, Assamese, Marathi, Tamil, Pali, Urdu, Oriya, Sanskrit. There are also some of the ETDs which are submitted in the foreign languages like German, Japanese, French, etc. Here you can see the various options that are available in the Shodh Ganga homepage, like About Us, wherein it describes the various important rules and regulations, the membership information related to Shodh Ganga. As Shodh Ganga, it is an open access repository of ETDs. It does not require any membership for colleges. The universities, they sign an MOU, the Memorandum of Understanding with Shodh Ganga, and they appoint a repository administrator who is supposed to look after the submission of thesis and dissertations in electronic format in the Shodh Ganga repository. Then this UGC notification tab, it gives us the detailed information about the Gazette of India which was released in 2016 and the various amendments that are made into it, which mentions that it is mandatory for all the research students to submit their thesis or dissertation in electronic format in a CD to the academic section of the university at the time of submission of their final thesis. The guide and tutorials, it shows the various ways in which the Shodh Ganga repository can be accessed. Then there are many documents that can be downloaded, like the registration form, the MOU format which the universities are supposed to sign, and login, it is for the university administrator. Now in the third screenshot of our presentation, I would like to explain you that the Browse tab, it was even present in the home screen of Shodh Ganga. The Browse tab helps us to search the ETDs in the repository using these various fields. They are universities and departments, researcher, guide, uploading date of the thesis in the repository, title of the thesis, and the various keywords that are identified for uploading the repository. Uploading the thesis in the repository. Here I have taken one example of Marathi Sahitya. I have typed the term Marathi Sahitya in the search bar, and within 0.007 seconds it retrieves 14,131 records. These records are nothing but the thesis and dissertations on the topic of Marathi Sahitya present in the Shodhganga repository. Now let's move on to the next very important part for any researcher. When we are referring to any thesis or dissertation, we are required to cite it. In the Shodhganga repository website, they have even given us the guidelines of how to cite. Like for example, here you can see that I have searched the Shodhganga repository for Vaijantimala Jadhav Madam's thesis. I could retrieve the thesis. The topic of her thesis is Arun Kolhatkaranchi Marathi Kavita. From here I came to know the thesis number 144213. For citing the Shodhganga home screen, it gives us the citation help. When we click on this tab of citation help, it opens a document in which it has given the instructions of how to cite. Now since this particular thesis, it is of Marathi subject, which comes under arts and humanities, so for that we are going to follow the MLA style, Modern Language Association style of citation. Here you can see it is written Jadhav, Vaijantimala, Arun Kolhatkaranchi Marathi Kavita thesis. It was submitted in Shivaji University, Kolhapur in the year 2011. Shodhganga is the name of the repository. It is on web, it is on internet, and this last one, 4th April 2017, it is the date on which the repository uploaded the thesis. And at the end, this is the URI, Uniform Resource Identifier, for this particular thesis. In this way, the researcher or anyone who is going to refer or cite this thesis will have to give the citation in his document. Now moving ahead to the another part of our presentation, it is Shodhgangotri. Here you can see it is clearly mentioned Indian Research in Progress. Repository of Indian Research in Progress details, synopsis, research proposals for PhD program with minor or major research projects, the postdoctoral fellowship programs, the emeritus fellowship programs. Here also, all the universities in India who have signed the MOU with Shodhganga, they can submit the ongoing research work synopsis on this particular platform. This will help us in avoiding the duplication of research and also expose the particular research to a wide variety of topics in which a particular concept can be dealt with. Thank you.